control vehicles. These are for ages 6 and older. First off, we have the drift car. Then we have the cop car. Each car comes on its own frequency for competitive racing. Now, I have tested a drift car from the Black Series before, and it really did drift, so that was pretty cool. This one also comes with 4 cones for slalom action, but the exciting part is the cop car has built-in lights and sirens, so when the drift car takes off, I am ready for hot pursuit. Now, what you'll need are batteries, lots of batteries. You're going to need 4 AA batteries for each vehicle for a total of 8 batteries, and a 9-volt battery for each remote control. So now let's let the chase begin. Now it's time for the review. If you've been watching my videos, you know I have done a drift car before. This drift car is much improved. It's faster, easier to use, and it's a lot more fun. Now for overall rating, I'm going to give ease of use a 7. They do get away from you because they are a lot faster, but again, that's an improvement. Performance, I'm going to give it a 10. It definitely does exactly what it says. And fun factor, oh wow, they are fun. A definite 10.